Okay, let's recap. In part one, you built an AI to decode your customer's brain. You now have the truth. In part two, you built an AI to spy on your competitors. You now have the intelligence. You are sitting on a mountain of high-value strategic information, and you can't do anything about it. Why? Because your entire day, your entire team's day, looks like this. This is calendar Tetris. This is the death by 1,000 paper cuts that is killing your business. Your most expensive, most brilliant employees, your engineers, your marketers, your writers, are spending their days in meetings about the work instead of doing the work. Every time they try to get into a flow state, a 15-minute calendar reminder pops up and shatters their concentration. Productivity isn't about working 12-hour days. It's about having long, uninterrupted blocks of deep work time. But your calendar is actively preventing this. So what's the solution? You've tried no meetings Fridays. It lasted 2 weeks. You've tried blocking your calendar, but someone always schedules over it. The problem isn't the people, it's the system. Today, we're deploying an AI to fix the system. This is part 3, the deep work manufacturer.
Now, when you see a tool like Clockwise, your first thought is, oh, a calendar scheduler, like Calendly. It helps find a 30-minute slot for 3 people. That is the obvious use, and it's boring. The secret strategy is to stop thinking of this as a scheduler and start thinking of it as an autonomous AI operations manager for your entire company's time. It doesn't just find time, it manufactures it. Here's how. First, you don't just install this. You deploy it across your whole team, your 10, 20, or 50 employees. You give the AI context. You tell it who needs focus time the most, your engineering team, your content team. You tell it which meetings are flexible and can be moved, like one-on-ones or weekly check-ins. You tell it which meetings are inflexible and must not be touched, like this all-hands demo call. You tell it your personal preferences. I hate meetings before 10 a.m. I do my best writing on Wednesday afternoons. The AI now has a godlike view of the entire organization's preferences and priorities. Then, you let it go to work. Overnight, while you're sleeping, the AI runs millions of simulations. It sees your flexible 30-minute meeting on Tuesday at 2 p.m., and it sees another flexible meeting on Thursday at 11 a.m. It automatically moves both of them. It clusters them together with other flexible meetings, creating a single meeting block on Tuesday afternoon. What's the result? The AI has manufactured a 4-hour uninterrupted deep work session for your most valuable engineer. It didn't ask you. It didn't email 10 people. It just did it because it understood the priorities of the entire system. Let's look at the case study. A 50-person tech company in San Francisco was constantly missing deadlines. They were burning out. They were about to hire 5 new engineers, costing them $500,000. They deployed this AI instead. In the first week, the AI found an average of 8 hours of new, reclaimable focus time per employee. That's 400 new man-hours per week of productivity. They didn't hire anyone. They just unlocked the time they already had. Their productivity on core tasks increased by 30%. They started shipping features on time. I have to pause here. Your competitors are trying to solve their problems by hiring more people. They are adding cost and adding communication complexity. You are using AI to manufacture more time for the brilliant team you already have. This is the very definition of an unfair advantage. If you are getting value from this and you want to keep getting these advanced strategies that nobody else is talking about, hit that subscribe button. We are 3 parts in, and the next 2 parts are where we move from planning the work to automating the work itself. You need to be here for this. This isn't just for tech companies. If you're a marketing agency, this AI can ensure your copywriters get their writing time protected while your account managers are clustered into client call blocks. If you're a sales team, this AI automatically protects the prospecting blocks in the morning when sales reps are most effective and shifts internal meetings to the afternoon. If you're a freelancer, you can use this to manage your own time, forcing the AI to protect your deep work time from client requests. This is the new foundation. Part 1, you know what to build, the customer truth. Part 2, you know what the competition is doing, the AI spy. Part 3, you now have the time to actually do the work. So, what's left? It's time to stop doing the work and start directing it. Tomorrow, in Part 4, we're going to build the perfect employee, an AI agent that doesn't just schedule work, but does the work for you. We're moving from automation to autonomy. You don't want to miss this.